the stage presence of Bronix at the end was really, really good. You see, he was strong and really confident. For me, it was Bronix on this battle. And the same problem with Nazca, we're gonna repeat, but he need to stop to attack too much
the opponent
in the battle. Yeah, the opponent. Yeah, really, it's too much.
Okay.
And Bronix, I prefer the vibe. It's more original and the structure. And the first round of Nazca was only drum, so
we talk about drum and bass, and not so original choice, you will say. Risky choice.
The first round of Nazca was not really original. The second was better.
Yeah,
Bronix, the present stage is better. So sometimes it's only these details. You are confident on your beat, you do it. If it's a little bit original, you're gonna win.
Yeah, I totally agree. For me, like we see it's a semi-final, and depending on your experience, I would say you can have like more or less stuff, still have some stuff prepared or not. And we can see, for me, like that Nazca is lacking some new ideas, new sounds that he can show. On the contrary, Bronix has still some nice ideas, original ideas.
Yeah.
We can see he has like a lot of stuff. So it's, and it's also original. So big up to Bronix. He deserves this win, I think. And the execution for this round, for these rounds, were very good. Like better than against IL. Do you agree with me?
Yes, but we have but I have always the same sensation.
Which sensation?
Maybe because I know Bronix, so I know what can he do at home. So for me, it's always a little bit tired.
Like exhausted? You feel exhausted?
Exhausted, yeah, a little bit.
Okay. Always. Yeah. All right. Okay. So you know what you need to improve, Bronix. Do you want to make serious progress in beatbox? Click on the link in the description below and join our beatbox school to level up faster than ever.